Hello students, in today's video we are discussing about the chapter of measures of central tendency from class 10th, and the question is from your textbook, question number 9. According to the question, the given data, wages in rupees and number of workers. Now wages 50 to 55 and 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90. Number of workers given in respective column. This is 5, this is 20, 10, 10, 9, 6, 12 and 8. Now question asked by what is founding in from this given data. Number one thing is mean. Find the mean of the given data. Second question is the model class of given data. The question number third is the number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80. And question number 4 is the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more but less than rupees 85. Now the fourth question may be converted in this form. 65 or more than means 65 more than, if we let us consider x is a number, then x is a greater than 65 but less than 85, but less than 85 means the number situated here, number is greater than 65 and less than 85. Now the given data may be written in this form. This is nothing but this is a CI. CI means class interval. Now second column is X. X is nothing but this is a mid value. And third column is frequency. Number of workers means this indicates the frequency of the given data. Now it is represented by F. Next is CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Now next column is Fx. This is a product of frequency and mid value, then we get Fx. From this given data, CI interval 50 to 55, the value of this is mid value. Mid value we have to find from this way: 50 plus 55. 50 plus 55 divided by 2, then we get 5, 10 upon 2. When we have to divide 105 by 2, then we get 52.5. Look at this value. The difference between two number is 5. The difference between two number is 5. Then if we have to adding 5 in this number, 52.5 plus 5, then next number is 57.5. It means the first number is given by after adding 50 plus 55 and after dividing by 2, then we get first mid value is 52.5 and frequency given by 5. Now second class interval is 55 to 60. 55 to 60. If we have to adding 5, difference is adding. Here difference is same, 55 to 60. It means difference is again 5. Now we have to adding 52.5 plus 5, then we get the mid value is 57.5. 57.5 and the frequency of this data is 20. Now next table is 60 to 65. 57 plus 5, it means this converted to 62.5 and the frequency of the given table is 10. Now next value is 65 to 70. Again we have to adding 5 in this data. 62 plus 5 means 67.5 and frequency is also 10. Next data is 70 to 75. Again 5 is adding, then we get 72.5 and frequency of this data is 9. Next value is 75 to 80, then we get 77.5 and frequency of this table is 6. Next is 80 to 85. 77 plus 5, 82.5 and frequency of this table is 12. Last value of CI is 85 to 90 and mid value of this data is 82 plus 5, nothing but 87.5 and frequency table is 8. Now in this time we have to write a cumulative frequency for given data. For cumulative frequency we have to write 5 in same place. There is no change, but next term is 5 plus 20 means 25. 25 plus 10 converted in 35. 35 plus 10 is converted again 45. 45 plus 9, this is converted in 54. 54 plus 6 is 60. 60 plus 12 means 72 and 72 plus 8, then we get 80. Now in this time we have to find the value of fx. Fx means mid value multiplied by frequency. Here mid value is 52.5. It is multiplied by 5, then we get 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 1, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 2 12 and carry is 1, 5 5s are 25, 25 1 26 and decimal putting in one place, then we get 262.5. Now next table 57.5 multiplied by 20. 57.5 multiplied by 20, it means the given data again multiplied by 2, then 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 14 1 15, 2 5s are 10, 10 1 11 and 1 0 is putting after from multiplying by 20 and decimal putting in one place. Now the value is 1150. 11. The value written in by left from right. First value is 262.5. Second value is 1150.0. Now third value is 62.5 multiplied by 10. Then we get 62.5 multiplied by 10. Then we get 625.0. Next value is 67.5 multiplied by 10. Then we get 675.0. Now next value is 72.5 multiplied by 9. 72 multiplied by 72.5 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45, carries 4. 9 2s are 18, 18 4, 22, again carries 2. 9 7s are 63, 63 and 2, 65, and decimal is putting after one place. Then we get 652.5. 652.5. Now next value is after multiplying we get 652.5. 77.5 multiplied by 6. 77.5 multiplied by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 42 3 45, 6 7s are 42, 42 and 4, 42 and 4 46, and decimal is after one place. It means 465. 465.0. Now next value is 82.5 multiplied by 12. 82.5 multiplied by 12. 12 5s are 60, carries 6. 12 2s are 24, 24 6, 30, carries 3. 12 8s are 96, 96 and 3. 12 8s are 96, 96 and 3, 99. It means decimal one place. Then we get 990, 990.0. Last value is multiplying by 87.5 multiplied by 8. 87.5 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56, 56 and 4 60, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 7 73. 8 5s are 40, carry is 4, 8 7s are 56, 56 and 4 60, carries 6, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 6 70, and decimal is here. Then we get 700. Last value is 700. After adding this, the sum of all observation fx 262 plus 1150, 625, 675, 652.5, 465. After all adding these values, then we get summation of sigma fx, summation of sigma fx. Now we have to adding these values. 5, 5, 10 is 0, carry is 1, 2, 5, 7, 5, 12 to 14, 19, 19, 1, 10, again 0, carries again 1, 6, 5, 11, 11 to 13, 13, 7, 21, 21, 5, 26, no, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, 9, 9, 6, 15, 15 and 6, 21, 21 and 4, 25, 25 and 9, 34, 34 and 7, 5 and last one 4, 1, 5, 5,520. The sum of all values is 5,520, 5,520.0. This is the summation of sigma fx. The sum of all observation of fx, product of fx. Now we get sum of all observation is 5,520 and cumulative frequency last score is 80 and sum of all frequencies represented by sigma f. Sigma f is equals to 5, 25, 35, 45, 54, 60. Again we get sigma f is also 80. The value of sigma f is 80 and summation of sigma fx is 5,520. Therefore now first part of the question, mean is defined by using formula sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma fx is 5,520.0 and sigma f is nothing but this is 80. After decimal 0 is nothing and 0 is cancelled out. Then we get 5, 5, 2 upon 8. After dividing 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48 and carry is 7, 8 9 are 72. Now mean is 69. Answer for mean is 69. First answer is 69. Now in this time we have to find model class. In second part, model class. Model class, the highest frequency of in which CI is defined by model class. Now maximum frequency is here 20 and class interval is 55 to 60. Then model class is 55 to 60. This is the second answer. Now third part of the question is third part of the question is workers getting below rupees 80. workers getting a wages in rupees below rupees 80. Then first time 80 is here. In CF table, where the value of CI is here, CI of this 75 to 80 and CF of this table is indicates the maximum value of wages which is below than rupees 80, and which is the required answer for this question. In the same way, last question is the value of x is less than 85 but greater than 85 but greater than 65. Again, by using this class interval, 65 is here and 85 less than 85 is this. After calculating all the values, 5 plus 20 plus 10, then we get 35. It means first value of this data is 35, and after adding 5, 20, 25, 35, 45 and 9, 54, 60 and this is 72. The value of this is may be written in this form: CI class interval 60 to 65, cumulative frequency is nothing but this is 35. In class interval 80 to 85, the cumulative frequency is 72. Thus we can say that number of workers which getting a wages more than 65 but less than 85 is nothing but this is 72 minus 35. Then we get 37. Now this is the required answer for question number 4. Thank you class.